This is Ian Lamont. I'm the author of Dropbox in 30 Minutes. And actually, if you want to manage your photos in your Dropbox account, the best way to do that is actually log into Dropbox.com, which I've done right now. And they have a couple tools which will help you find the photos that you're syncing. One thing you should do once you're logged in, go to Home. It's the icon in the upper left corner. And then you'll see that there's an option for photos. So just click on that. And basically what this is showing all the photos that I've synced to my Dropbox account. It may be using different devices, but this is the stuff that you can see has showed up in August 2025, including some pictures of myself, some charts, some photos that I've taken, some photos from the Library of Congress. And because I'm syncing those particular folders, it's showing up. It does not sync folders. It does not sync photos that you haven't selected for syncing. So I have a lot of other photos that I'm taking. They're not showing up here because I'm not syncing those devices or those folders to my Dropbox account. There's one other way so you can basically browse through them in reverse chronological order. Another thing that you can do is you can search for photos. So for instance, I know that I created a photo that it's actually a Library of Congress photo showing Elvis with Nixon. And you can see it's actually, it finds it right away as soon as I start searching for Elvis. And let's take a look at it. So this is the photo. This is the Library of Congress photo. The reason why it's able to find that photo is not because Dropbox uses AI to recognize Richard Nixon or Elvis Presley. It's because I named the file Nixon and Elvis.jpg. So because Elvis is in the name of the file, Dropbox is able to quickly find it. Maybe in the future, Dropbox will have features which will let you search for a photo based on the contents of the photo, kind of the way that Apple Photos works right now. But right now, currently, it doesn't work that way. So the best way to find photos is either to browse through them, going back to the photos area of Dropbox.com, or if you've named your photos, the photo files you have, just search for something that you know is going to be in the name, like pie chart or Elvis or whatever. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.